Hey everyone, so I just got the scent and warmer of the month for May, and I'm so excited to show you this. I know everybody's gonna go crazy over this one. To start off, it's the Palm Trees and Ocean Breeze scent. It's so good and refreshing. I'm most excited about the warmer though. Take it out. Oh my goodness. Now these are gonna go on top of the warmer. For all my plant lovers out there, aren't these beautiful? And it comes with little pebbles. This is the actual dish where everything with the wax is going to be warmed in. It's so beautiful. And this is the warmer. So this is the hot plate. This is what makes the wax warm up and melt. See if I can put it together. Oh my goodness. So you can pretty much decorate this one however you want. Put it in the order that you want. Can't go wrong. See? Let's see if I can bring it in closer. So if you want a sample of this refreshing scent and a flyer with all the information, let me know and I'll send it to you. Bye guys.